Hello, Stacy Drake here, and I want to explain to you this mathematical concept in life called an asymptotic experience. Anyway, an asymptote is when it's like Toy Story, when you're going to infinity and beyond on one axis on a graph, on a Cartesian graph. And then when the y value for x is the vertical asymptote, it's infinity. So, that's what I meant by like the Toy Story, to infinity and beyond. Anyway, I want to explain to you my asymptotic experience and the Henry Danger asymptotic experience. Anyway, back when I was in Clearview School in Austin, the first year was like not that much fun. The second year, the beginning was a little better, but then starting in January of 2010 in the 5th grade, everything was starting to go amazing. Started learning how to play musical instruments, 3 in fact. Same with everyone else at that school. And then after that, I became friends with this girl back in March or April of that year. Started going out in May until I left that school. Things were just so exciting at that time. Everything is exciting. I call it an asymptotic experience because the joyride goes to infinity and beyond. That's what I mean by asymptotic experience. Exponential growth. You go beyond the exponential growth to and beyond infinity. That's what I mean by asymptotic experience. And summer of 2010 was just so exciting. Despite being ill that summer, I was sick that summer with some sort of stomach bug the entire summer. I got to perform in a play and perform it in a talent show with the guitar I learned how to play. Anyway, Selena Gomez's songs are just the easiest of any song to play on guitar, so I chose one of those since I was still a beginner. Anyway, right as I was about to leave the school, which was one of the biggest mistakes I made in life, it was so exciting, an asymptotic experience. Now I want to talk to you about Henry Danger and the Henry Danger asymptotic experience in the last 4 episodes of the series. The beginning of the end, the intensity of the show after so many years of going from nowhere to everywhere. Season 5 of Henry Danger was the most intense any TV show has ever been. Well, almost. And then all the excitement of that show starts off in the beginning of the end. That's when Henry finds out that he's not graduating high school because he's been missing class for the past year, fighting crime. But then we see this super sweet kid that would eventually partially take Henry's place. His name is Bose. He's the vice mayor's stepson. Anyway, that has nothing to do with it, but when the cavemen started walking in on Henry's house and Drex and the cavemen came in into the man cave, that's where I would shout while watching the episode, "To infinity and beyond!" That's the asymptotic experience I want to talk about. And then the intensity went to infinity and beyond. Same with the next 2 episodes. The one where Drex tries to take over for Captain Man, sends him back 101 million years. And then leaves everyone, leaves with everyone, and then Henry to solve the problem with Miles and Mika. I'm telling you, the Danger Force cast is amazing. And then Choppa joins in too. The 4 of them get recruited to be at the new fake school that Ray bought. Anyway, let's not speed ahead. Then Then as Henry fights off Drex, and then Henry and Danger Force get superpowers. It's just amazing. Unfortunately, another vertical asymptote happened right before the funeral, the fake funeral of Kid Danger. Then everything becomes mathematically defined again. And then it's basically like a 5th degree polynomial right there, where basically it actually stays in both the first and second quadrant because it stays positive. First it goes back down, and then it starts increasing again as Henry, Charlotte, and Jasper go to dystopia, and as Danger Force starts a triple root, an imaginary triple root, and polynomial happens, and then then Danger Force starts up, and then as Choppa's Crush premieres, and in the last episode it premiered so far, the equation keeps on increasing again, and we might see another asymptote next time around on Danger Force. It's still very high, like unbelievably high, the number of intensity. So that wraps it up for today. Bye.